Magandang hapon, narito na ang PTV News Break. Undersecretary Rico Puno nagbitiw na sa pwesto ng Department of Interior and Local Government. Para sa karagdagang detalye, makakausap natin si Elena Luna live via phone patch. Elena?
Maraming salamat. Nagbitiw na nga bilang Undersecretary ng DILG si Rico Puno. Hawak ko ngayon ang kopya ng kanyang press statement na ipinamahagi sa mga miyembro ng Malacanang Press Corps ilang minuto matapos mamataan siya dito sa Bahay Ugnayan sa loob ng Malacanang Compound. 2 pages ang statement ni Yusek Puno. Nakasaad sa unang pahina ang pagkakadetalye niya kung paano siya inutusan ni Pangulong Aquino na mag-inspect sa mga opisina at sa bahay ng lumaong si DILG Secretary Jesse Robredo. Nakasaad naman sa second page ang kanyang paliwanag. Babasahin ko na lamang ng buo. When the President asked me to serve the DILG, he emphasized that we need to strengthen the institution so that our uniformed personnel will become truly servants and protectors of our people. For the past 2 years, I have carried out specific assignments in accordance with the President's mandate. We have introduced reforms to ensure full transparency of procurement and bidding processes. We have streamlined these processes to achieve the President's objective of getting the biggest bang for the buck in providing basic equipment for enabling our uniformed personnel to perform their task effectively. Sinabi rin ni Yusek Puno sa kanyang statement na I believe that I have carried out my assigned duties to the best of my ability. Dagdag niya, moving forward, I have resigned as DILG Undersecretary to support the President's decision to give a free hand to the incoming Secretary in forming a new team. Sa last paragraph naman ng Yusek ay sinabi niya, I wish to thank President Aquino for his trust and confidence in giving me the opportunity to serve our country and people. At yan ang balita mula dito sa Malacanang para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan. Ako si Elena Luna.
Maraming salamat, Elena Luna.